Happy 4th of July, everyone. So I did a thing. I saw the Mint had these in stock again, so I wanted to buy 2 more and see if I could have better luck this round without the oxidation marks on there, whatever those were. So let's go ahead and open these up and kind of see what's going on here. Hopefully I'll have some better luck this time. So let's take a look. Alrighty, so I'm not as concerned with the silver. Those were pretty good last time. Let's take a look at the penny here. Oops. All right. Things are looking a lot better there. No marks on that one. Let's see if I can get this to zoom in really quick, or to focus. There we go, that's better. No marks on that one. That was the biggest worry I had, was the penny, or the cent. So that one looks good. Let's take a look at the other box and see if we're gonna have just as good luck on the 4th here. Hopefully this isn't the last weekend for somebody to have all 10 of their digits. All right, let's take a peek. Again, upside down, sweet. Packing consistency. And yeah, that one looks good as well, so pretty excited about that. I'll probably return the other 2 since I just wasn't happy with them. And the Mint gave me the opportunity to return them, but I'd have to get lucky if they had some in stock, and I wasn't sure they would. A lot of you comment keep it on the last one, so I'm going to hold on to these 2 sets, and yeah, I had a lot of better luck with this batch, so pretty happy with that. All right, everyone, again, have a happy 4th, stay safe, and talk to you soon.